Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Reno4 set, and today I'll show you how you can change notifications sound. You have to open settings, next you have to scroll down and you have to move for sound and vibration. When you are here you have to scroll down again and find notification sound. Currently it's set up on this one, it's called Mariba, but if you want to set up any other, just pick it. Oh, let me just volume up. We can also select from our file, for example this one, and here you got also the alert tones. But if you want to change notification sound, you can go for the glass harp, and after that you can just simply go back. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.